Yeah! You know what, dude? I want a rematch right now. Alright, bro, let's go! It's here.
Hello.
Thank you for the pizza.
You're
Appreciate
welcome.
it.
Enjoy.
Hi, man. The pizza's here.
Oh, let me get one, bro.
Yeah. Yo, it's here, man.
Hi, bro, for the game.
Whoa, bro.
What happened?
What are you doing, man? You're supposed to wash your hands. Alright, dude, let me show you why you gotta wash your hands. Okay? Hold up, dude. I got this from my microbiology class and I'm about to swab it right now. Gotta get in there. Right in there. Right in there. Yeah, all over. Take it. Put it on the plate. And bam. Just give it 3 days and just watch, man. Just watch.
Several days later.
Hey guys, my demonstration revolved around gaming controllers, especially in this case, I use Xbox One controllers. Now you may ask, why gaming controllers? Well, most of us do enjoy playing games, especially with all the Battle Royale hype and Fortnite hype these days. Kids in general are deep into playing. Usually, people eat or drink on something while touching the controller, and they might not even have washed their hands yet. And I have noticed it when I visit my friend's house. I see them eating Doritos and drinking Mountain Dew or chugging down G Fuel. It's the MLG 360 no-scope kind of life they're living out here. I find that gross, and I don't eat and play at the same time, especially after doing this experiment. Gaming controllers can actually accumulate a lot of bacteria on their buttons. They seem dirtier than you actually think, and you'd be surprised how much bacteria lives on those buttons. You may not think about it, but a lot of dirt and debris and dust may actually get under the joystick or around the edge of the joystick, making it a very nice place for bacteria to grow. A study done in the United Kingdom by Domestos and UNICEF said that gaming controllers had 7,863 per 100 square meters of bacteria on them. That's compared to a toilet which has 1,600 bacteria per 100 square centimeters. That's almost 6 times more bacteria on a gaming controller than on your average toilet. The same study also concluded that harmful bacteria like E. coli, which is a gram-negative bacteria, and Enterobacteriacera can also grow on them. With this information known, snacking during gameplay is a no-no. Although hand washing may be one of the simplest ways to prevent bacteria from spreading, many people actually don't know how to wash their hands correctly. A study from June found that 1/3 of all study subjects did not wash their hands with soap when they finished using the bathroom. Furthermore, 95% of people who did manage to wash their hands did not wash their hands long enough to kill the bacteria. The CDC has an online guide on how to properly wash your hands. It is recommended that you scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds. Cleaning the controller is also kind of difficult, as you may not want to damage it in the process. They're not washable, and to clean out the joystick, which has all the dirt accumulated under there, you need some form of wipes or a tip, usually in the form of alcohol or Lysol. Placing your controller on a clean surface may also help. Now, these are just some ways you can prevent your gaming controller from becoming a bacteria haven. The only reason why I'm mentioning it is because the gaming controller is the last thing you would ever think to have so much bacteria on it, but it's really clean and is probably the most used thing if you're sitting on the couch or whatever playing games all the time and it's just never cleaned. then that might cause you to be sick. Another study pointed out that the reason why gaming controllers might have a lot of bacteria on them is because they come in contact with many fingertips of multiple users, which results in a cross-contamination at a site of the body, most likely to come in contact with food and with other susceptible locations of the body. Now onto my results. As you can see, I swabbed one Xbox controller with a sterilized Q-tip and then swabbed onto the TSA plate. I however left it out in a little box which I made into a little insulation, and then when I came back from Thanksgiving vacation, I noticed tiny red dots to the corner growing. It was red pigment produced by most likely Serratia marcescens. It is found commonly in hospitals, causing respiratory tract infection and UTI. According to the eMedicine Journal, approximately 30 to 50% of patients are asymptomatic, meaning no symptom happens when they have UTI from Serratia marcescens. A better understanding of how deadly this bacteria can be, according to a Venezuelan newspaper back in June 9, 2018, 11 children died at a children's hospital who were already immunocompromised due to Serratia marcescens. And these bacteria, they grow well between 35 to 37 degrees Celsius. Now, I have tried swabbing it once with another TSA plate, however it didn't grow. The second time I tried it, Serratia marcescens grow, and I'm not sure why that happened, but these controllers are not mine. They are my friend's controllers, which I did use for this project since I don't own an Xbox. However, a week ago or 5 days ago, my friend did say that he was sick and that he did have some kind of respiratory problem or infection. He was coughing a lot.